Hello friends, CBIC on 17 July 2023 issued one circular number 193. This circular is in addition to or amending the original circular issued on 27 December 2022, circular number 183, which is basically talks about the differences between the input tax credit claimed in GSTR-3B in comparison to GSTR-2A. So it gave directions or the way forward for the officers how to handle such differences. As you are aware, lot of notices were coming and are coming for the differences, and circular number 183 was basically pertaining to the financial year 2017-18 and 18-19. So what this circular of 183 originally 27 December 2022 spoke about? If you have claimed, if the registered person has claimed input tax credit in excess in GSTR-3B as compared to GSTR-2B, and if such differences is more than 5 lakhs per supplier, then the registered person has to get a chartered accountant certificate or a cost accountant certificate mentioning that the supplies have been made by the supplier in respect of such goods or services, and the tax payment also has been made. If the input tax credit claimed in excess is less than rupees 5 lakhs per supplier, then a self declaration from the supplier that he has supplied such goods or services and the tax payment has been done. So with this, the recipient could have claimed the input tax credit. This was pertaining to only the financial years 2017-18 and 18-19. And various high courts also mentioned that since this benefit is given for this 2 years, it should be continued for further 2 years also, that is for 1920 and 2021. Now CBIC has issued one circular on 17 July, circular number 193, which puts further restrictions on this original circular. Now what is this restriction? As you are aware, rule 36.4 was inserted from 9th October 2019. Now what is this rule 36.4? Rule 36.4 is, if the supplier has not given you credit in GSTR-2A, but you have got all the valid, you have met all the conditions what is there in 16.2, that is the 4 conditions that time, then you can claim the credit. So originally on 9th October 2019, when this rule was introduced, they had given a percentage of 20% in excess of what is appearing in GSTR-2A. The eligible credit what is appearing in 2A in excess of 20% you can claim if you have the valid invoice, goods and service have been received and all the conditions of 16.2 is met. So this got introduced from 9th October 2019, and on 1st January 2020, this 20% excess what you can claim was reduced to 10%, and from 1/1/2021 it further got reduced to 5%. Now this circular, what it says is, if you have claimed more than what is appearing in 2A, so in GSTR-3B you have claimed excess input tax credit as compared to GSTR-2A for whatever reasons, you should have met all the conditions of 16.2, especially 16.2C, where the supplier has to make the payment, and that 5 lakh, in excess of 5 lakhs, less than 5 lakhs, that condition also will continue, but the total input tax credit in excess can be restricted only to what is available as per 36.4. So they have given an example also. So if suppose you have got an input tax credit of 3 lakhs in your GSTR-2A and you have claimed 5 lakhs in GSTR-3B, so you have claimed 2 lakhs in excess. So here a self declaration from the supplier for 2 lakhs will not be enough, and they will restrict the input tax credit to 20%, that is 3 lakhs 20% 60,000. So in 2 lakhs what you have excess claimed, only 60,000 will be allowed, balance 1,40,000 will be disallowed, will not be allowed. So this is basically from 9/10/2019 to 31st December 2019. So now they have given with different periods, like what the original circular which was there 183, the same conditions will apply for all the supplies till 8th October 2019. That means this condition of 36(4) will not be applicable till 8th October 2019. So 5 lakhs, less than 5 lakhs, if you get the declaration or CA or a cost accountant certificate, it will be allowed. From 9th October 2019 to 31st December 2019, 20% limit will be applicable as per rule 36(4). From 1st January 2020 till 31st December 2020, 10%. Again next year 5%. So this in excess whatever is there will be limited to what is there as per rule 36(4). From 1st January 2022, since rule 36(4) is amended, and the amended sub rule says whatever credit available in GSTR-2B only can be claimed, and nothing in excess of what is appearing in 2B can be claimed. So from 1st January 2022, only the input tax credit what is appearing in GSTR-2B will be allowed. So this circular throws a light on how to go about the differences, but now they have given different years, different periods, different percentages, which I am not sure how it will stand in the court of law, because this is only a direction to the department how to handle the cases, how to handle the notices and the replies. This will be challenged in the court, since section 16(2) had only 4 conditions, and only from 1st January 2022 clause AA in subsection 2 of section 16 was inserted, where they made a condition ki GSTR-2B supplier has to give the credit in GSTR-2B for the recipient to take the credit. So this is basically the direction given by the CBIC to the department. So there are restrictions. So it is not only more than 5 lakhs, less than 5 lakhs, you have to abide by rule 36(4) also to claim the credit. Thank you so much.